going to face the music.
Bumati pa si Pang.
The Great Detective, at your service. Criminals be warned. You're going to face the music.
Subukan lang natin. Sana manalo tayo. Hello once again. Thank you for watching my channel, Marvelous Smart TV. Mga idol, maraming salamat sa iyong support at walang sawang panonood sa aking mga videos. Please, panoorin nyo rin po ang mga ads. At sana po, dumami ang ating mga subscribers. Mahit natin ang 10,000 subscribers. Susunod, 20,000, 30,000, hanggang 100,000, hanggang 1 million. Para pag sikat na tayo, pwede na tumulong sa mga taong bayan. At hindi po yan maging posible kung hindi po ako tutulungan. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo. Subukan natin si Fang.
I'm watching you.
Long range din siya. Siya pala yun ang iikot. May mga nakakalaban ako na ganito. Tinitira ako na umiikot yung blade sa kalaban eh. Si Fang pala yun. Si Fang pala yung tinitira ng gano'n. Kasi hindi na ata ako. Okay. May tumbling siyang movement. Okay, pantakas. Okay. So, ang main damage niya yung una. Ang state mo lang itong isa. Ay, nako, ang lakas ng kalaban. Hindi ko kaya. Papagaling muna ako. Mag-platform muna ako. Malakas pala ito. Katapat ko. Malakas ang katapat ko. Magpa-level up. Dalawa pa.
Discretion is a detective's best friend. First blood.
Uy, first blood kami. Galing na kakampi ko. Sabihin. Ayaw na magaling na kakampi.
An enemy has been slain.
Sa long range lang tayo. Sa dito tayo. Huwag ka sumugod. Diyan na yung iba. Palevel up muna tayo. Hindi ko pala kasi yung lakas nila Houyi at saka ni Aliceo. Paano muna tayo? Pa-level up.
Your turret has been destroyed.
Malakas yung itong gamit. So ito yung malakas, yung isang damage.
I have a notebook full of secrets. People's lives are so complicated.
Ano tayo?
Pew pew!
Pa-level up.
notebook full of secrets. People's lives are so complicated.
Naku, patay! 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 Hindi ako nakagalaw. Dapat umuwi na muna talaga ako. Testing lang naman ito. Buti magaling tong kakampi ko si ano. Si Arthur.
I'm watching you.
Galing mo, Arthur. You're the man.
Shut down. Extremely lethal. Ultimate not ready yet.
Ano mo na lang wasel
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. An ally has been slain.
Oh, tatlo to. Oh shit, tatlo. Oh no! Oh no, tatlo to. Oh no!
The turret has been destroyed. An ally has been slain. Your team has destroyed a turret.
Ito, lakas ng kalaban namin. Bale, testing lang naman to. Testing lang naman, testing.
I'm here to bring outlaws to justice.
Testing lang naman. Kaya at least alam natin kung saan mga magaganda gamitin. Hindi talagang pangdiinan. Lakas din naman sa atin.
Enemy killing spree.
Pagla na.
An ally has been slain. Enemy double kill. Your turret has been destroyed. Our high ground tower is under attack. Our turret has been under attack. An ally has been slain. Shut down. Enemy double kill. Enemy triple kill.
Yun!
Double kill.
Yun!
An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Your turret has been destroyed.
Nabawi.
Discretion is a detective's best friend. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. Help me get rid of him. Your turret has been destroyed.
Hindi sila matulungan.
Our high ground tower is under attack. The Overlord and Tyrant have been enhanced. Cannons moving out. Bring outlaws to justice. Can't get away from me. I'm watching you. Sorry. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. Search for evidence. Your turret has been destroyed. Our high ground tower is under attack. Discretion is a detective's best friend. Our high ground tower is under attack. High ground tower is under attack. Double kill. Your turret has been destroyed.
The tower na lang muna tayo.